Hi, everyone. This is BOGONG. This is our backpack cleaning machine. Its dimensions are 268 millimeters long, 135 millimeters wide, and 445 millimeters high. The machine is easy to operate and can be connected to a power cord or equipped with batteries. So today, the customer asked us to test it out to see if it can perform cleaning tasks outdoors, as we said. Okay, now we are here. We found a rusty iron pillar outside. Let's start cleaning it. We can also clean the railings that are common on the roadside. While walking aimlessly on the street, I found a stone wall covered with rust. Let's clean it. On the way back, I passed a small path and found graffiti that affected the beauty of the city. As a good citizen, I had to remove it.